The Do-It-All XV Crosstrek lets you set your own boundaries. The horizontal layout of the Subaru Boxer engine combines balance with power and efficiency. XV Crosstrek's available Lineartronic continuously variable transmission gets more performance out of less fuel. Combined with the capability of Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive, it's a win-win situation for the road ahead. XV Crosstrek offers a 6-speaker premium audio system with MP3 playback capability, Bluetooth audio streaming, and USB port iPod control. Steering wheel controls for the audio, Bluetooth hands-free phone, and cruise control systems are standard on all XV Crosstrek models. XV Crosstrek's anti-lock braking system prevents wheel lockup and helps maintain driver control. Electronic brake force distribution balances braking, while brake assist can sense a panic stop situation and apply full braking force to help stop faster. The 2014 Subaru XV Crosstrek, built with the right amount of everything.